Thank you, host. Hello, everyone. This is Milad Anwar, Business Development Manager of CHINT Egypt. I'm so happy to meet you here. Now, let me share with you the story from Egypt. In 2017, CHINT Egypt sent invitation to CRE avec Consortium. And that invitation is opened 4 years, a special bond between CHINT and the 10th Ramadan Railway Project. After 4 years, now CHINT products are displayed on the railway station project, preparing for the first and urgent story to electrified railway operation in Egypt. When we received the tender invitation, the biggest difficulty we faced was how to make Made in China to be recognized by the Egyptian rail transit industry. At that time, there were many people still misunderstanding about the Chinese product. When they know CHINT came from China, it was almost directly rejected. In 3 years, we have made many visits, many technical Q&A meetings, and also many sample tests. CHINT Egypt cooperates with the CHINT GMAC to organize customer visits in Egypt, showing the integrated service system of CHINT's local production, supply, marketing, logistics, and after sales. And finally, we establish trust with the customer and succeed to put CHINT into the shortlisted of bidding for this project. Life always brings some small unexpected accidents. The outbreak of the COVID-19 in 2020 caught us by surprise. We quickly integrated all resources, including CHINT GMAC, and set a special team in the headquarters with marketing department to organize customers in 4 domestic locations. Visit CHINT online, fully demonstrate the strengths of CHINT, give customers confidence in key stages. And at the same time, the project team prepares all materials, responds quickly to customers, fully demonstrated our professional standards, and also uses our strengths to win the low voltage cabin, including low voltage cabin, all electrical equipment orders for medium voltage cabin and bus duct. The 10th Ramadan City Railway Project in Egypt is a major achievement of practical cooperation between China and Egypt under the Belt and Road Initiative. It is also the first rail transit project undertaken by a Chinese company in Egypt, and is an important manifestation of the technology and the equipment manufacture capabilities of the Chinese companies. This project has a higher requirements for delivery and quality. We overcome all difficulties. The headquarter professional team controlled the manufacturing and the delivery, and the front-end control responded to customers' needs on time. Also followed up the project's progress in real time. The rapid assembly of cells, technology, production modules, as well as the supply capacity of CHINT's inter-industry CHINT products. This is the biggest advantage of CHINT in this project. Now, the project has entered the installation and the commissioning stage. Our products will continue to arrive at the site as planned before, to provide reliable power support for the operation of the train and bring more confidence to the travel almost 5 million persons in Egypt. The above is our successful story from Egypt. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.